Hi, I'm Jeremy and I work in customer service here at Evolution Industries. This is an instructional video on how to set up Evolution's simple vacuum system for use with a suspension sleeve. Using our valve plate, a vacuum pump can attach distally as opposed to attaching to a barb on the side of the socket, minimizing the chance of damaging those parts. To set up the vacuum system for a sleeve, you need Evolution's vacuum valve kit, part number VV01-003. Specifically, you will use the valve plate, part number VMP-007, the vacuum valve housing, part number VV03-004, one-way duckbill valve, part number VV03-003, the 90-degree adjustable barb, part number VLC-102B, and the vacuum valve spacer plate, part number VV04-001. You will not use the small seal for this setup. To set up your system, take the socket with the valve plate gunked in place. For more information on setting up the valve plate, check out the valve manual on our website. Now, once the valve plate is gunked onto the socket, you'll have to take your duckbill valve and make sure it is clear of debris. Next, take the duckbill valve and insert it into the top of the vacuum valve housing. Turn the housing clockwise to secure it into the mounting plate. Use your wrench tool, part number WT001, to tighten the housing and ensure a good seal on the distal end. Be sure not to over-tighten. Next, take your 90-degree adjustable barb and screw it into the housing. Make sure to lock it in the position that you want and use a flathead screwdriver to tighten it down. Once that's set, take your spacer plate, align it up with the 4 holes and the exit where the tie-gun tubing will sit in, and attach 4 screws. Once the screws are tightened, your kit is ready to go. As an example is how this vacuum system works. We are going to use a full model of a residual limb fitted with an Evolution origin liner, a protective sheath, and we're also going to use an origin suspension sleeve. Now, once the liner and the protective sheath are donned over the residual limb, have your patient step into the socket. Once you get good distal contact, have them roll their sleeve up. Now, if you haven't already, insert the tie-gun tubing into the 90-degree barb concealed distally in your spacer plate. In this example, we have it going out the posterior side. Then the other hand hooks up to your vacuum system. So, in conclusion, this simple system provides a safe and worry-free suspension method for patients using sleeve-based vacuum systems with mechanical pumps. The concealed 90-degree bar also reduces the chances of dinging or damaging your vacuum attachment, making this the perfect configuration for high-activity patients. If you do have any more questions, please call us at Evolution at 1-888-839-6213. Thank you.